We're going to talk a little bit about some of the other information that you need to know from Chapter 2. And here in the step-by-step on page 70, we're going to look at the adding notes in a notes pane. Down here at the bottom of your PowerPoint screen, you have a notes, click to add notes. And if you don't see this, you've got this little button right here at the very bottom of your PowerPoint screen that says notes. Click on that and you're going to be able to see your notes. So if you don't see the click to add notes, click on the notes right here. This is where you can put information if you want to have it for future reference. It's not going to show in your PowerPoint presentation. So we can just, so if we go to slide 2, click here to add notes, and we can put a little note like here. It says emphasize the importance of building customer goodwill as a cashier. Okay. You'll notice it doesn't appear up here on your screen. It just appears down here at the bottom. Now you can also when you change the views, if we go to the slide sorter view, you're still not going to see the notes. And outline view, you're not going to see the notes over here. You're going to see the notes over here on the slide pane, but you're not going to see it in the text. Now the only way your audience is going to see it is if you print out the note pane. So if I click on File and go to Print, I don't want to print the full page slides here. I want to print note pages. And so here is my notes. Okay, so now I can print these out and I can show these, have these available to my presenters or even to my audience if I want to print them out. Okay, so printing a presentation, we already talked about that a little bit. There's more information here in your textbook on page 2, in lesson 2. Setting your prints, options, and all of that information. Previewing a presentation is real easy. If I come back here to my screen, I'm going to go pick on that back arrow. If I go to slideshow, right here I can print, either look at it from beginning or from the current slide. So if I click on from beginning, here is my PowerPoint presentation, and if I want to go to the next slide, I'm just going to either click on the mouse button or on my space bar, and it's going to go through my PowerPoint. And so this is exactly what your audience would see on the screen. Now if I take my mouse on the screen and I right click, I'm going to have some more options that appear. I can go to the next one from here. I can go to the previous slide. So maybe somebody asks a question and I need to go back to the previous slide. I can go to the last viewed, see all slides. Okay, so here I can see all the slides, and then I can say, okay, I need to go right to the manager involvement. So by right clicking, you can get a lot of more information. As you continue on through your program, at the very end, you're just going to see a black screen. That just means this is the end of the slideshow, so you don't have to, you can just leave this on so for your audience to see. When you click one more time, it's going to take you back to your PowerPoint normal default view. And so that is Chapter 2.